Noah is grounded. Mokadi needs parenting lessons. Tweeps have decided that there are bad parents and scheme Psalms. Mokadi is a great example of one such parent. The young mother has been going through the most, including a traumatic car accident, and now she has to deal with troublesome teenager who not only lies like a pirate but steals like one too. Noah has gone past the stage of stealing R5 for airtime like normal kids and went as far as stealing money that amounts to R5,000. Meanwhile, everyone except Mokadi can see that the young man is nothing but trouble. Tweeps were relieved on Thursday night when it looked like Mokadi would finally face reality and punish her son accordingly. But like the bad parent that Twitter has already decided Mokadi is, she went ahead and defended her son's actions. In addition to that, all the punishment Noah has to endure is being grounded, which shook Twitter to the core. Twitter was already writing her a few parenting tips from the Twitter Parenting Manual. Because for all the lies and stolen goods associated with Noah, Twitter feels Noah needs a serious a-hooping. They shared the memes.